Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today is Amaya Raine Day. And that is, we put out a challenge so that anybody that wanted to could show any size Amaya Raine doing anything you want. Trying on a new outfit, unboxing, just showing them as is. They are such lovely dolls. I love these rainbow high dolls. I will be honest with you, I had hoped to have my whole crew down here because I have it in about every size. In fact, I do have her in every size. And make them all new matching dresses again. Time got away. It's a busy time of year and Darren and I have started riding bikes again. I bought these outfits to see if they would fit my Amaya Raine 24-inch. So I thought we'd look at these today. I got this one, I think I got on eBay quite a while back. This one I got from AliExpress. These are for 18-inch dolls. And we're gonna do the gold first because it's supposed to be a jacket. I am sure that the arms are gonna be too short, but I thought if we could get it to fit, how cute we can make it into something else. I love metallic fabrics, I just do.
You're my magpie.
Yeah, I am a magpie. And it has working pockets, and the back is, it's just a cute little, you know, you can see a rapper wearing this. And let's see how it fits as a jacket. You know that the hood is not going to fit, and but hanging back would be cute. I'm leaning her backwards for her hair to fall away from the jacket. All right, let's pull it up, see what we got. Oh, it's cute. Yeah, the sleeves are going to be short. It's a little tight through the, let me pull it and twist it, and you know, it's a little tight through the hips, but let me pull it a little bit. It's like a 3/4, that's almost right though, isn't it? Just a little bit longer. And I was thinking maybe I could take that seam out. Maybe I'll try that because it would just take a little more, wouldn't it? So I would say that is a good find. Even if I cut it off here and had her wear it with jeans, it'd be really cute. Let's see how this little dress looks. I think this works out really cute. It's just a simple skirt, and the top, the little sweater's real cute. The only thing I didn't like is the sweater has Velcro up the back, but the cheaper outfits do. You know, that's just what you're gonna have to find. She's built like I am. She's bigger here than she is here. Small waist, big butt. You know what they say about quarter horses when they're selling them? They say, what is it? Pretty faces, big butts and pretty faces. That's what it is. And that's certainly what Amaya Raine is. So I think, yeah, I think both of these inexpensive outfits would work for the Amaya Raine doll, especially if you're looking for something for your children to have to play with the Amaya Raine. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.